Triumph Factory Racing has a new gear sponsor for the whole team, and that is FXR. Obviously, last year, their first year in Supercross and Motocross, at least over here on the US side of things, they were not geared, they were teamed up with Renan. And well, this year, it's a whole team switch with Milt Reimer, the president and owner of FXR Racing, saying, quote, "We're extremely honored and excited to partner with an iconic brand like Triumph. When the opportunity arose to partner with the team for 2025, it was really an easy decision to make. This is the first time that FXR has supported a full factory team, and with so many eyes on the team and the brand, it made perfect sense to join the program. Timing is everything in this industry, and we can't wait to see the team in action at A1 in 2025. Now, Jeremy Coker, who just got the new job over at Triumph, said, quote, "As a new member of the Triumph Racing program, I'm excited to begin a strong and meaningful relationship with FXR as they join the program alongside me. FXR are a great group of people, and their presence in the SMX or the SXMX racing has taken off. The riders are very happy with the product, and it pairs well with our bikes too. Together, we look forward to the future and to continue strengthening our partnership with FXR Racing." So, obviously, Renan didn't last very long. Who knows what happened there? Why that was a 1 year deal, not a multi-year one. But obviously, this is going to be, all four riders. So you've got Jalik Swoll, Austin Faulkner, Styles Robertson, and Jordan Smith over here, all running the new FXR gear. But so that's where I leave you guys. What do you think of the Switch? Do you like the brand? Do you like Renan better? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. With that, I'll see you later. Peace.